Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make teriyaki chicken. And this teriyaki chicken has tender chicken thighs cooked in a simple and delicious homemade teriyaki sauce. And this is a go-to recipe at our house and it's always a hit. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, Bradley's going to be joining me in this video. He doesn't have school, he's on summer vacation, so you'll probably see more of him this summer because he just asked to be part of my videos. So he'll be either helping me or just watching me. Anyways, he's having his breakfast. You're gonna watch? Okay.
No, I'm just
Okay. Okay, so here I have a little over 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them into bite-sized pieces. And he's watching you guys. And then you can also, if you want to remove that excess skin on there, you can go ahead and do that. You can also use chicken breast, but really chicken thighs is the way to go in this recipe. The chicken just comes out really nice and tender. And the last time I did make this recipe, my son's friend was over for dinner, and as he was eating it, he was telling me this is the best chicken ever. I don't know if he says that to everyone or if he always tells his mom that or whoever cooks for him, but that just made me feel really, really good. So I know that he enjoyed this dish. Are you enjoying your breakfast, Bradley? Oh my God.
You did that.
Did you just fart on camera?
No,
Should we leave that in there? I mean, the things kids do and say, you gotta love them. They keep it very real. This sauce is really delicious. It's salty, it's sweet, it has a bit of tanginess. It's the perfect combination. And it's made really with minimal ingredients. And what I love about this recipe is you know exactly what is going into this recipe. And it's probably cheaper than getting takeout. So in my opinion, even better. Okay, so we are going to need 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Do you want to add the soy sauce in, Bradley? Okay. So let's pour that in here. You hold this. All right, pour that right in, Bradley.
it smells good.
It smells good, huh? He loves soy sauce. And then I'm going to use I'm not gonna lick the soy sauce. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Here, help me out with this first. Okay, I'm gonna hold the spoon.
What's that? Lemonade?
Lemonade, this is rice vinegar.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna hold the spoon. Okay, hold it straight, okay?
I like spilling it.
You like, okay, spill it right in. 1, let's count.
2
And
3.
perfect. All right. And then we're also going to add in some honey, and that's where we get the sweetness. You want to squeeze the bottle, or do you want to hold this?
Lick the bottle.
Lick the bottle. Okay, hold this right over here. And I'm going to squeeze all that honey. So it's going to be nice, thick and sticky sauce. And this may seem like a lot of honey, but there is a lot of chicken that's going into this dish.
How come you're using all of it?
I'm not using all of it.
This is what the bees like.
Yes, honey is what the bees like. All right. Ooh.
Stick that.
All right, next up we have 3 garlic cloves that I minced up. Go ahead and add that in, Bradley. All right. And then last but not least, 1/4 cup of water.
Oh, water? Hot water?
Room temperature. Okay, go ahead and pour it in. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it until it's well combined.
It looks like, that looks like it's black.
It's black, it's dark because of the soy sauce. And after this is done cooking, it's gonna be so delicious over some rice, and then I'll probably steam up some broccoli later for our veggies, but it's gonna be so delicious. All right, we are done with our sauce. We are ready to get cooking. Meet me over at the stove. I've got my pan heated over medium-high heat. I'm going to add some oil, and in goes in the chicken. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook the chicken down for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so the chicken has been cooking for about 3 minutes. Now it's time to add in the sauce. Give it a little mix. Go ahead and pour it right in. And I'm gonna bring everything to a boil. I'm also going to add in some black pepper. All right, it is coming to a boil. And the chicken is just gonna simmer in this delicious sauce, and it's gonna absorb all that deliciousness. Now that it has come to a full-on boil, I'm gonna cover and then lower the heat to medium-low and let it cook for about 10 minutes. All right, guys, 10 minutes has passed. Let's go ahead and check on our chicken. It is looking really, really good. So we are not gonna be using any cornstarch to thicken this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the heat all the way up to medium-high. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce the sauce. So we're gonna let this cook until the sauce has reduced and it's thickened and the chicken has absorbed a lot of it. So this can take anywhere from about 6 to 7 minutes. And don't worry, your chicken is not going to be tough. It's gonna still be nice and tender at the end because we use chicken thighs. All right, so it's been about 6 to 7 minutes, and just look at this, you guys. The sauce, it's gotten nice and thick and it's sticky, and it's like the chicken has absorbed all of that sauce, and it's just such a rich and delicious, flavorful dish. No bland chicken over here today, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from heat. I'm excited for you guys to try this. And then just because I have some, I'm going to, just for color, some chopped green onions. And this is just totally for looks, guys. And just because I also have some of them. Some sesame seeds. Why order teriyaki chicken at a restaurant when you can have it even better right at home? All right, you guys, moment of truth. It is time for the taste test. I went ahead and served it over a bowl of rice, because you have to have teriyaki with rice. It's a must. And let's go ahead and take a bite. Okay. Cheers, you guys. Oh my. The chicken is so tender and it's so flavorful from the soy sauce and the honey and the rice vinegar. Very, very minimal ingredients. Produces big flavor. And like my son said, he said it was the best chicken ever. But I promise, make this for your family and you won't make teriyaki chicken any other way. Thank you guys again for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.